how to make mobile hotspot faster on an iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily make your mobile hotspot or faster on your iPhone. So first thing, make sure you have cleaned all the files, loading files from your background. And once you do that, second step, what you need to do is simply head over to your settings, and inside settings you will see the data or cellular option, and inside the cellular data option click on it, and just make sure your data mode is on low data mode, or if you have the option to disable it, simply disable it. And once you do that, simply head back and find the settings called general. Under the general section you will see the background app refresh, and inside the background app refresh simply click on it and just make sure you turn it off. So that is exactly how you can easily make the mobile hotspot faster on an iPhone. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.